In this video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to do gold treats for a party, and this was so simple. And I'm going to dip some strawberries first with chocolate. Now, I was using the Ghirardelli melting wafers, and you should definitely use some kind of a chocolate that's formulated to melt, not regular chocolate chips, because those are formulated for baking. So you want to use the melting chocolate and just take dry strawberries. So use organic strawberries for this, because that way you don't need to wash them. When you wash them and the water gets in the chocolate, it's going to mess it up. Don't put water in chocolate, but just go ahead and roll the strawberries in the chocolate and then let them dry on parchment paper. And you want these to set up very firm, and then refrigerate them overnight if you need to, if you're not going to paint them right away. But you don't want to put them in the fridge for too long, because then they're going to develop condensation. So just, if you can do this right away after they set up, that's fine. If you need to do it the next day, refrigerate them and let them kind of come to room temperature before you do the gold. Now, once these are set, take some Monegasque gold powder. This stuff is amazing, and it comes in a bunch of different colors, so if you want to do different colors, you can. I'm just dabbing this onto the strawberries, and these are probably a little wet with the condensation as they're warming up from the fridge. I'm not brushing them. I'm not going to pick them up. And you might be wondering why I'm not wearing gloves. It's because clean hands are your best tool, and gloves get messy and it's just more difficult for me. So I just wash my hands a lot, and I'm just dabbing this powder on here, and it is the best gold color. I swear it is. It's so easy. So you might want to have some gold, some white, some chocolate. Don't do all of them, but I did all of them for the effect, and I wanted to see what it would look like. And this is what they looked like at the end. Very nice. Okay, so now I got some store-bought macarons. I'm not making macarons, but you can buy them at the store. And just brushing the dry dust on it was so simple, and it made them look so good. So you don't have to use any kind of liquid. I was thinking you might have to use a paint, but the dry Monegasque dust is it's amazing. This stuff gives you the best color. So just go ahead and dust those, and you end up with a lot of little gold macarons. I also had some little eclairs that I painted. Now this is the best. All right, I froze these cupcakes. Okay, these cupcakes have been frozen overnight, so the icing is really hard. I took them directly out and immediately started brushing the dry dust. This is not paint, this is a dry dust. And it is going on there and making them look gold. I was really surprised, because I thought this was going to be a whole operation and I was going to have to do something really tricky. But I'm just using a big fluffy paintbrush that I don't use for anything else, and I am brushing the dry dust directly onto the frozen. Now this is frozen. This icing is hard. Okay, so it's frozen solid, and I did not let it start developing condensation. I took it directly out of the freezer and started brushing it, and it just makes the gold look so good. These cupcakes, you don't need to do anything tricky to make them look like that, and you can add these to a gold buffet, and they just look great. Next is the cake pops. Super simple. I bought these at the store. You can make them if you're if you're into that. I am not. And these had little colored sprinkles, which did not 100% get covered by the luster dust. But this Monegasque dust, I have said it and I'll say it again, it's amazing. And it just gives you a really nice shine, even if you can still see the color. Very pretty buffet, and you can get the gold plates and stuff. Make it really cute, and it just is so easy to do.